Whoa, this is such a cool girl mullet style. I love the cut and color combination. Very nice. Absolutely love this one. Very cool hairstyle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend. So if you are new around here, my name is Elle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair trends. So here we have a color change. A little bit of a trim into a bob. Oh, wow. Beautiful curtain bangs to frame out the face. She does have the highlights going there, mainly in the front. Oh, this is such a cute hairstyle. Very nice. I really like that color. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, it looks like we have someone getting more of like a layered haircut. This is a very popular hair trend at the moment. Beautiful face framing curtain bangs. Oh, so beautiful. And as you guys know, if you already follow this channel, layers are a great way to add some volume to your hair. They also add that little bit of oomph to your hair if you feel like something might be missing. And if you're just overall looking for something new and trendy to do, layers would be a great option to try out. So we have another color transformation for the next one. Some face framing layers. Ooh, I really like the way he did the bangs. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how much volume her hair has in the after. Such a beautiful hair change. And now that we are entering the fall winter season, a lot of women might be looking for a little bit of a revamp and just a way to freshen up their look. And I really think that layers are a great way to do that. Very cute style. She also went a little bit darker, which a lot of women tend to do during the fall winter months as well. But on the opposite end of the spectrum, we have someone who wants to go blonde. So her hair definitely looks thin and tired. So let's see what the stylist ends up doing for this one. So the stylist does cut the hair. Looks like she might be getting a bob. And a lot of the times, if you do want to make your hair appear thicker, cutting it shorter will actually do that. So then, of course, she is going to be going blonde for this transformation. So the stylist mixes in some color. Wow, so beautiful. Such a gorgeous hair change. She looks like a completely different person. I love it. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you with this last cool girl transformation. She does end up getting a showlet with this one, which is a very popular hair trend. If you guys want to see more about that, be sure to check out my sister channel, Style Trendseeker, where I do a little bit more of a deep dive showcasing the hottest trends at the moment. If you guys did enjoy the transformations spotted within today's video, please do me a favor and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.